welcome back. So today I am doing a haul video for you all. Now my best friend's sister was coming from America and I asked her to get a few makeup stuff for me, and it was so sweet of her to get a lot of stuff. I had actually ordered all the stuff online and she just had to receive the package and get it from me here. A lot of makeup which I got is not available in India. So yeah, Sanadi, if you're watching, thank you so much for getting this all for me and for taking all the pain. Thank you. Now I'm not an impulsive shopper. I just can't go and shop all these things at once. But this time I did buy a lot of stuff, and a little disclaimer before I start the haul is that I was saving for all this makeup for a very long time, and it was my birthday last month and I didn't get anything for my birthday because I wanted all of this which I'm going to show you. So yeah, I am so excited for this makeup haul. I hope you guys like it, and just quickly begin with the haul because it's going to be a pretty long haul. I will link the website down below, but I will not be listing the prices because it varies, and there were a lot of products which were on discount and most of these products are drugstore. So the first thing that I have is this Maybelline Baby Skin Pore Eraser, and I have heard a lot of reviews about this one, so I got this from the website. So the next thing is this Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Eraser. Mine is in the shade medium. This is great for concealing your dark circles, and this is still not launched in India. So if you have any relative flying from States or from Dubai or from any other place, make sure you get this because this is actually very nice. Next I have is e.l.f. Contour Palette. Let me just open this up and show you guys. So this is how it is, and these are all the shades. This is good for highlighting and these two are for contouring, I think, and I absolutely love it. Like, it's so pretty and the color payoff is pretty well, as you can see. I love all of these. So yeah, I got this. Next I have is this Sunlight Trio by City Color. This is how it looks like. This is the highlighter, blush and the bronzer. The bronzer is kind of shimmery, but I really like the blush and the highlighter. So next thing that I got is actually this Wet n Wild Shimmer Palette. Now this is pretty cheap. I think it was for $2 or $3. And let me just open it up and show it to you guys. This is the palette. It's a very nice shimmery palette and it's got great. The color payoff is pretty great here, as you can see. I don't know if you can see, but it's very shimmery, and you also get a nice blusher brush along with this. So yeah, it was a steal and it is so nice. Next stuff I have is for my brows. First thing I got is this e.l.f. eyebrow kit, and I'm in the shade medium. So these are the two colors. This is the gel color and this one is the powder color, and I think it's really nice for daily wear to fill in your brows. And the next thing that I got is this NYX Tame and Frame Tinted Brow Pomade, and my shade is in brunette. This is quite similar to, or you can say this is the dupe for Anastasia Brow Pomade. This is how it looks. Now next I have our blushes. Now I got a lot of blushes because I don't know why, but I got a lot of brushes. The first blush that I have is from e.l.f. again. It is their Twinkle Pink blush. This is how the shade looks like. This is a very shimmery color. It's great for parties and nighttime look. Next I have is the Milani powder blush in the color American Rose. Now can we just take a moment and look how pretty the blush is. Like, seriously, when I saw it, I was in love with this blush. It is so pretty. It has a rose on it and I don't feel like using it at all. Next is again from Milani. It's their Baked Blush. This is how the packaging looks like. It's a nice golden color. The blush is in the shade Corolina 08. This is their baked blush, and the best thing about this blush is that it has a nice mirror and an applicator, so it is quite nice and travel friendly. And this is really shimmery. Like, just look at it. It is so shimmery, guys. So shimmery, and I love it. Next blush that I have is the City Color Be Matte blush. This is how it looks like. It's a very nice mauvey color, great for everyday. So this is how it looks like. It might look a bit pink in here, but it's really a mauve color. Next I have is the Wet n Wild Color Icon blush in the color Heather Silk. This is a nice pink color everyday for everyday use, and it also comes with a applicator brush. So the next thing that I have is actually an eyeshadow palette. Now I didn't get a lot of palettes because I already have them. Just got this one. This is like a nice chocolate bar shape. Now I really don't know the brand. It's called Profusion. I have not heard of it before. I just saw it and thought it was super cute, and I had to get it. So this is how the palette looks like, and when you open it up, it's got this amazing colors. Just look at the colors, guys. It's got this white color which I love, and all the shimmery grey brown tones, and the color that I love the most is this one. Just look at it. This blue color, I just love it to bits. I also like the purple and the green one a lot. Let me just swatch it for you quickly. This is the swatch, guys. I mean, just look. Let me just swatch other colors also. These are super pigmented, and I absolutely love this palette, and I'm sure I'm going to get a lot of use from them. So yeah. Next I have is something which I have been wanting to buy for a very long time. I don't know if they were in India or but I just know that they're right now not available in India. It is the Maybelline Color Tattoo by Eye Studio. I just love these eyeshadows, and I've heard such great reviews about them. I got these two colors. This one is in Barely Beige color. This is a nice base, and it is very similar to the MAC Painterly pots, but obviously they are much cheaper, and MAC one is quite expensive. And these are very creamy eyeshadows, like these are gel based eyeshadows, so I just love them. And the next one is in the color Permanent Taupe. This is how the color looks like. Next thing that I have are eye pencils. I got this Master Kajal by Maybelline New York. It's a normal kohl kajal, nothing too great about it. This is just a normal black kajal. Next I have is something which I've heard a lot about. This is the Maybelline Lash Sensational Full Fan Effect Mascara. I love the packaging. It's nice rose gold purplish color, and the wand of the mascara is great, and I've used it like once, and it is amazing. Absolutely love it. So yeah, I just got this mascara. Next I have this Baby Lips Dr. SQ Maybelline lip balm. I'm not yet opening it because I have a lot of lip balms to finish. So yeah. I have lip colors. Now I got this Rimmel London Kate lip color in the shade 103. This is a very beautiful pink color. I think this is also available in India. And this is how the swatch looks like. It is a very nice everyday pink color. Next I have is the Milani lipstick in the color Black Cherry. It's a matte lipstick, and I've used it before. Now the story behind this is that I wanted a different color, but somehow I had some confusion and I got this, and I still like it. It's not bad. I'll just swatch it for you all. So this is how the swatch looks like. It smells really nice. It has a very vanilla toffee like smell, and the packaging is so pretty, like so pretty. It looks like some high-end brand by the packaging. I absolutely love the packaging. The last lip color is this by NYX High Voltage lipstick, and the color is HVLS03. It's a very nice blue toned pink. I don't know, I'll swatch it here. This is the color, and I absolutely love it. Next I have this hard candy, just nail color. Now this is actually a matte coat. Like you can use it with any nail paint, and you can top coat it and the nail paint will become matte. So yeah, I really like it. The last two things that I have is this L'Oreal Infallible Setting Spray. It's a travel size bottle. Now the last thing that is this hard candy take it off makeup remover wipes. These are just the normal wipes. It's still not open, so, and I'm not opening it right now because I already have a lot of wipes. So yeah, I got this, and I also got a matte
क्या मैट?
वो मैट कोट करने वाला लिप्स नेल पेंट वाला.
इधर ही पड़ा था, नहीं मिल रहा.
हाँ, इसमें होगा.
कर दे.
इसमें पड़ा है. So this was my haul video. Thank you so much for watching, and subscribe to my channel and give this video a big thumbs up. Bye.